Smell that? It's time for a swing dance reaction video.
No. No. No.
Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Street Smart Swing. My name is Jamin Jackson, also known as the Galactic Swing Dance Umpire! And I am super elated to be scrutinizing another swing dance video for you today. But first, make sure you subscribe and smash that notification button so you never miss a swing dance video from me ever again. Today, I'm going to be talking about another greatest of all time, Lindy Hopper. This person is one of my favorite dancers of all time, and she quite possibly has one of the most diverse bodies of work. And her name is Alice May. This dancer for me is like the perfect spy. She has the unassuming, enigmatic qualities of the Black Widow mixed with the complexity and diverse skill set of Bruce Lee. If there is a category for dancers who have mastered the art of performance and social dancing, she is it. So I'm going to get out of the way to let you see some of her body of work, and then I'm going to share more of my big, fat, bloated analysis. So if you are someone who gets triggered by the truth, this is not the place for you.
Doesn't sound like boogie woogie, cause it's really got a beat. Seems to us that it's in four. Let us hear it just once more. Come on and latch onto that rhythm, because a solid boy's my meat. Some folks like to hear 8-beat rhythm. I don't fool with that stuff no more. Anytime we want to send me Fox me brother.
Guys, you have to open your eyes to look deeper into this dancer. When I first was exposed to this dancer, it was years ago. What was interesting is that I never just noticed her at first. She's not one of those kind of dancers that's trying to be super flamboyant and get everybody's attention with weird color hair and crazy clothes. Nope. All of that stuff is replaced with straight up skills. I have seen her dance with various dancers with totally different styles, and she can follow anything. For me, guys, when I watch her dance, she is the pinnacle example of a swing dancer who can dance with multiple partners and always make it look like that partner she's dancing with is her only partner. And not every swing dancer has been successful at doing this. I mean, they try, but it's still like those movies where they have some new CGI technology and they think they're nailing it, but yet you know that there's something just a little off with the footage. Just not gelling 100%. This is not the case at all with this dancer. Her seamless ability to adapt to anyone has set a precedent that is really quite hard to follow. It doesn't matter if her partner's style is more elastic. It doesn't matter if they're less elastic. Doesn't matter if they're solo dancing, improvising, or doing a choreographed piece. She can just make it happen. A lot of dancers ask me what makes a really good swing dancer. And for me, it's all about putting the main thing over everything else. Then it's about embellishing how you look doing that. The ultimate lesson that I learned from this dancer is that there is nothing wrong with developing multiple personal styles. And that's why I believe Alice May is one of the greatest Lindy Hoppers of all time. So there you have it. What do you guys think about Alice's dancing? Do you think she's overrated? Or do you think her Lindy hopping catalog stands the test of time? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't started Lindy hopping yet, realize it's not hard, it's not easy, but it's simple. Check out some of my free courses below. They will help you get on the right track toward Lindy Hop mastery. If I don't get a chance to see some of your comments about Elisa's dancing below, hopefully I get a chance to see you in my class online. Take care.